Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a damaged anvil in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, check the damage on your block. The first step is to look at your metal block to see how many cracks it has. You need to know how broken it is, so you can decide if it is time to get a new one. Walk up to your metal block and look at the top surface. Notice if it has just a few small lines or if it looks very broken and ready to fall apart. Because you need to catch the damage before the block breaks completely, you have to check the cracks so you are not surprised when it finally breaks. Without this step, the block might disappear while you are using it, and you would lose it forever along with all the work you were doing. Next, craft a new anvil. Since a very broken block cannot be fixed with simple items in the normal game, you need to make a brand new one to replace the old one. Go to your wooden table and craft a new anvil using 3 iron blocks and 4 iron ingots. Place the blocks in the top row and the bars in a T shape at the bottom. It ensures you always have a strong station to work with. By making a new one, you are replacing the old, cracked one before it breaks into pieces. You will have the best tool ready without any risk of it failing. Next, get a mod to fix the look. If you want your old block to look perfect again without making a new one, you can use a special add-on for your game. You can get a mod where you can fix the broken anvil texture directly. By using a special add-on, you can smooth out the cracks and make the metal look new again. And that's it. To fix a damaged block in Minecraft, you must first look at the cracks to see the damage. Then, you craft a new anvil on your wooden table. Next, you can get a mod to fix the texture so the cracks go away. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.